Hello, wonderful voyagers. It's fantastic to have our seasoned travelers back with us, and a warm welcome to those joining us for the first time. Today we're setting our compass towards the vibrant and captivating Cuba. We'll be exploring budget-friendly ways to experience Cuba's rich culture, as well as reveal some luxury escapes for those who fancy a sprinkle of opulence. Cuba, with its unique allure and charm, awaits us. So, buckle up as we delve into the heart of Cuba and uncover its hidden gems. When traveling to Cuba doesn't have to break the bank, here's how you can experience the vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes on a budget. Talk accommodation. Cuba is full of affordable options, with casa particulares leading the way. These private homestays are a bit like the Cuban version of Airbnb. Not only are they budget-friendly, but they also offer a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in local culture and lifestyle. Next up, riding around in a vintage car might be tempting, but it's not the cheapest option. For a more cost-effective way to get around, consider hopping on the local buses, or guaguas as the locals call them. They're an adventure in themselves. And when it comes to food, steer clear of the tourist traps. Instead, hunt down the paladares, small family-run restaurants that serve delicious home-cooked meals at a fraction of the price you'd pay in more touristy areas. And finally, the attractions. Did you know that many of Cuba's best sights are free? From the vibrant street life of Havana to the stunning beaches of Varadero, there's no shortage of free experiences to enjoy. And don't forget about the numerous museums and galleries that offer free admission on certain days. With these budget-friendly tips, you can experience the authentic Cuba without costing a fortune. And for those looking for a touch of luxury, Cuba offers some unforgettable escapes that are worth every penny. Picture yourself sipping on a refreshing mojito, lounging by the pool of a high-end resort with the warm Cuban sun kissing your skin. Yes, it's as dreamy as it sounds. Cuba is home to a myriad of luxury resorts, each offering a unique blend of opulence and authenticity. From the colonial charm of the Iberostar Grand Packard to the modern elegance of the Meliá Cohiba, these resorts are a sanctuary of comfort and style. But the indulgence doesn't stop at accommodations. Cuba's fine dining scene is a gastronomic delight waiting to be discovered. Imagine savoring a succulent lobster tail perfectly paired with a glass of vintage rum as you overlook the vibrant streets of Havana. From the innovative fusion cuisine at Atelier to the traditional flavors at La Guarida, every meal is a culinary journey of its own. And what's a luxury vacation without exclusive tours and premium services? Whether it's a private salsa lesson, a tailor-made city tour in a classic American car, or a VIP rum and cigar tasting session, Cuba offers a plethora of experiences designed to pamper and fascinate. These luxurious escapes in Cuba offer a blend of extravagance and culture that's simply irresistible. So, if you've got a taste for the finer things in life, Cuba is sure to satiate your appetite for luxury. Remember, life is short, so why not live it in style? So whether you're a budget traveler or a luxury seeker, Cuba has something for everyone. We've explored how to make the most of Cuba, whether you're pinching pennies or splurging on luxury. The vibrant streets of Havana, the untouched beaches of Varadero, the history of Trinidad, it's all waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey to Cuba. If you're visiting us for the first time, do click the bell to subscribe so you don't miss our future travel adventures. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Until next time, happy and safe travels.